Hi everyone, this is Divyashree. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now we'll learn how to draw a cute panda in an easy way. Let's begin by drawing a circle. Draw C-shaped curves to make the ears. Divide the circle using two lines. Now we'll draw the eyes. Draw the nose and mouth. Draw the pupil part. Draw a long curve to make the body. Start drawing panda's legs by using simple curves. Now we'll draw the bamboos using simple lines. Draw the leaves. Draw the paw. So, once you complete the drawing, start outlining it using a stick pen or sketch pen. Erase the pencil marks. Now we'll start coloring. Take black color and color over the ears. Color along the outlines first and then fill the remaining part to avoid color going out of edges. Color the eyes. Color the nose. Start coloring the legs. Shade lightly on the body and the face using black color. Take green color and color the bamboos and leaves. Now take dark green and shade as I am doing in the video. Shade the leaves. So I hope you have learned how to draw a cute panda in an easy way.